This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Alright guys, I got this Insight Plus that I got sent to me as a demo, but I think there's a problem with the sensors because it's not really reading properly. So the company sent me some oxygen and CO sensor to replace it. So I've never replaced sensors on this thing before, so we're going to kind of go and go through it and see if we can figure it out. Supposedly it's not that big of a deal. So I do usually run Testos. This was sent to me as a demo, so I've been trying it out. Oh, there they are. Look like they're right there, the sensors. So we'll take it apart and see what's going on with it. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever done this, so I'm not an expert. I know the guys from the Comfort Institute, National Comfort Institute, like these meters, and they use them a lot. Now I do have two Testos that I tested side by side, and they were pretty accurate compared to each another. This one here wasn't so much. See if they just twist right out. Twist right in like that. Twist right out. So let's see what we got here. Like I said, I'm not an expert on this. It's the first time I've done it, so let's see how it works. This one here. It's the O2. That one looks a little bit different. It looks like that might be the CO one. Let's take this one out. Yeah, okay, so that's the I think that's the oxygen one. This one here definitely said CO on it, I think. Yeah, this one's oxygen, O2. So this is the CO sensor, the one that's got the green on it. It just plugs in there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it just plugs in with the 3, so see if we can get that out of there. It's just 3 holes I gotta line up there. Just pushes right in. Easy enough. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. And over here. That's it. Boy, it seemed pretty easy to put in there. That's it. Pretty easy. I did put the new batteries in there that came with it. Like I said, there was a demo unit, so put new sensors in and we'll try it out. And you got the connections right here and the temperature probes. And that's it. Should be ready to go now. We'll try it on the job. Go on the job today. We'll try it. The only thing I don't like about this probe is see how big it is? Sometimes you gotta open up the hole in the smoke pipe. That's one drawback of it I don't like. And the other drawback is when you take it out, it's best to pull these probes out. Because if you try to wrap it up in here, it doesn't seem to work so well. But other than that, it works pretty good actually. Well, we're going to try it out on the job. Like I said, it was a demo unit, and the readings were off. I thought the readings were off a little bit. We felt that the CO2 and the CO was off. So like I said, the guy sent me out brand new things from Bacharach. I called him on the phone, he sent them right out to me. So we'll try it out. It's a nice meter. What I usually do is when I take it out, I just unplug it, put it in here, and I put the stuff. This is where they tell you to put this cord. It's awful soft. Put it right up in there. My little cheat sheets. We're ready to go, Mama. We'll try it out on the job today when we get out there. See how it works. Alright guys, I got my Testo 320 here. I did test this two that I did have, and they were pretty accurate. I put the new sensors in the Bacharach, and my CO seems to be off quite a bit compared to the Bacharach. So I'm going to put a new CO sensor in, brand new Testo CO sensor. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. I don't think the Bacharach could have a brand new CO sensor that's off that much. So I think I was reading like probably 10 on the Bacharach and 27 on the Testo. I mean, that's quite a bit. So it comes out. So plug comes out, and this thing looks like it just pops straight up and out. See it? No little plugs going in this way. So we'll see if I can. Just pops right out with that. Put the new one in. Just pops right in like that. I mean, that's not no big deal. We'll put this on and we'll try it again. I probably should have got some footage, and there's the oxygen one. I mean, that doesn't look like that's a big deal to change that one either. This popped right out. Here's the battery for the Testo right here. See the battery? And it plugs right in. You guys can see or not, but it's pretty simple. Pretty much plug and play. I mean, that's not that big of a deal. Well, we'll try it again. We'll put it back together and we'll try it again. See if they're closer. I'll show you what I mean when I get down there. So I know that the Testo CO sensor is brand new and the Bacharach CO sensor is brand new. They're brand new because I just put them in. So we'll check it. Seem like we're off quite a bit. But I haven't changed this sensor. So we got 2 new sensors and we'll try it out. Hey, that's my friend. That's Miss Molly. That's my buddy. Oh yeah, that's my buddy, Miss Molly. Oh, yeah, you wanna go downstairs with me? I know you do. Tara, check the gas pressure on this and check the combustion analysis. I got 2 ports in there. 3.5. I'll put the door on it. You can see I'm going out there with the thing. We'll see if it changes with the door. Shouldn't change. Still 3.5. I'm gonna get my 2 meters in there and we'll see what we're doing. I got 3 meters I gotta check. I got 2 Testos and I got this Bacharach, which I put new sensors in the Bacharach, and I put new sensors in the Testo. This one here is the one with the new CO sensor. We'll start them up, get them in there. I gotta do some printing on this stuff, and I did call up value testers in regards to this, and he gave me Bacharach's phone number, but the guy wants the information as far as, you know, what the printed readout is. So I gotta do each one and print it. The natural gas there. Okay, natural gas there. We'll start them both up. We'll get them in there. This one I always use here is going to be number 1. This is the one with the new sensor. I got both probes going in the same spot, right? Alright guys, so this is the number 1. This is the one I usually use. You see the stack temperature, 282. This one is 298, which is pretty close. I mean, it's within reason. The oxygen, the O2, 11. This one's 13.8. Well, it's within a couple. The ppms is 32 and 32, so that's good. And then the CO2 is 564, and this one is about 4. Well, they are off a little bit, but I'm gonna print these 2, and then we'll get the Bacharach in here and see what the difference is. Alright guys, so what I did was I just wrote it on a card here. So I got the CO2, the oxygen, the ppms, and the stack temperature. Same thing on this one over here. So I got all that information right there, and I put it on there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one out, and I'm going to put the Bacharach in there and see what the difference is. Bacharach's got a much thicker probe. You see the difference, the angle with the probe is so much bigger. See the CO2, how low it is compared to the other ones. Well, that one's got a brand new CO sensor. This one's got a brand new CO sensor and an oxygen sensor. Well, I always felt that the ppms on this thing was really low on the CO. I gotta get all the information down and call this guy from Bacharach. So we'll let it run for a bit and get the stack temperature up to the same. What's the stack temperature? 307. This one's 257. We'll let it run for a bit. See how low the CO is? Only 11. And this one is 36. This one's 33. It's up to 36 now, but I've been running it a little bit longer. And that one was 49. That was quite a bit difference there. And this one's only 11. I mean, alright, so I'm at 300 and this one's at 308, so I'm pretty close. Let me get a shot of the stuff, Miss Molly. Oh, yeah, that's my friend. That's my buddy. That's Miss Molly. Yeah, look at the tail go. Yeah, look at her on the desk, Miss Molly. You gonna start the show? Oh, yeah, you are. You're a cutie pie. But anyway, guys, here's a shot of the stuff. The Testo 1, Testo 2, and the Bacharach. So the only thing I really got a major issue with is the CO. See, the CO is only 12 on that. I mean, you'd figure it'd be higher. The rest isn't so bad. The CO2 is pretty close. I mean, it's within 1 point. You know, these two units are probably should go in and have them calibrated. But I did put a new sensor in this one. The new CO sensor is brand new in this one. So I know that's not a problem. And that's supposed to be factory preset. And this one's brand new. And the oxygen center's brand new on this one, which is a 9.3. And my Testo was, you know, 11.4, which isn't that far off. This one probably needs a new sensor. There it is. There's a shot right there.